didn't know already, Mars is one of my favorite planets in the entire solar system. So I bought a Mars dig kit so I can experience how it is to dig through Mars and explore the elements within it. But before we get into that, let's talk about some fun facts about Mars. For number 1, did you know that Mars is one of the few planets in the solar system to not have a moon? Unlike other planets like our own Earth or Jupiter, Mars doesn't have a moon. That means when it gets dark, it really gets dark since there's no moon to reflect on the sun's light. Oh, and did I forget to mention that this dig kit comes with a cool manual? So let's read some of the fun facts from it. And for our first fact, did you know that it could get real cold in Mars? Yes, it can reach up to negative 25 degrees Celsius. That's real cold, isn't it? And when it comes to dimensions, Mars is 230 million kilometers away from the sun. Mars also has a planet diameter about 6,794 kilometers. Now, going back to the dig kit, I was given a small replica of Mars which I have to dig and find the special elements. Thankfully, all the elements are listed in the manual, so I don't really have to search them, but you can see them here. So let's start digging. As the instruction manual said, I am tasked to dig Mars and to find the 6 elements within it. And to dig it up, I'm given a brush, a hammer, and a chisel. So the first thing I did was to dig up the top part since it had a dent, so it looks like I would find something there. So let me speed it up. I kept digging and digging and digging, but I still didn't find anything. After some time, I was able to make a decently sized hole inside Mars, but I still didn't find anything. But I wasn't losing hope. Instead, I kept digging and digging until I'd find it. At this point, I've dug up already so much that I had to switch sides since I didn't think I'd find anything there. So to prepare for digging, I brushed on the sides. And to my surprise, almost all of the gems were laying in there. I was so happy to finally be making progress, so I started digging it with excitement. And there I had it. That was the first element I digged up, which happened to be oolite, which explains its dark blue color. Now, as you could see, there are a few more elements laying around there, so let's dig them up too. I started digging the other element out of its place. Then I picked it up and it was called red jasper. And red jasper is one of the rarest elements on Earth. Then I continued digging further, and there I found quartz, tektite, and diamond. With all the elements digged up, I decided to take a few creative shots about them. So yeah, here's a few. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informational and fun. So yeah, thank you for learning about Mars with me. Bye!